Hi Dynamic members, today I am about to discuss about a stock called BHARATFORGE and its price movement and the trade opportunity that we got using Dynamic Live as per the Doveman method, that too in options. Okay. Now I hope all of you are aware of this Doveman method. The beauty of this Doveman method in Dynamic Live is whichever stock you take, when there is a clear trading opportunity, this Dynamic Live, the Doveman method information automatically tells you buy call option now or buy put option now. And the other major thing here is before it tells you buy call option, at least few minutes before or at least 30 minutes before, in the preparation it tells you in advance, get ready to buy call option or get ready to buy put option or get ready to exit call option. So when these kind of informations come, as a trader, your job becomes so very easy and effortless that all that you have to do is just go about trading with whichever stockbroker you are dealing with. And at the same time, when you are trading in options, the other important thing here is which strike price to trade. That is one important thing. So as soon as it tells you buy call option, if you go about searching for the strike price and thinking which one to do the trade, well, it is going to take time. Okay, and it may also lead to some confusion. But then Dynamic Live makes your job easy even at this particular point, because whenever it tells you to buy a call option or whenever it tells you to buy a put option, along with that it also gives you the strike price as well. So at the top it gives you the call option, at the bottom it gives you the put option strike prices. So out of those three, which one to pick, all these details are conveyed very clearly in the training. So based on that, just go about trading. That's how simple it is. And in order to follow this Doveman method and trade, there are just some 10 points instruction. Written materials are given to you. I have told this multiple times. All that you need to do here is take a print of this material, keep it in front of you, and whenever a trade opportunity comes, see which market situation it fits into. Based on that, whatever is the instruction given there, just implement it. That is all that you have to do. Okay, so let us go check this BHARATFORGE stock and its price movement. So whichever stock that we trade, before we trade, it's always a habit that we have, Dynamic members, that we see what is the information the Dynamic Live is giving. Now why do we have to check this information? It is because we have to understand what is the market situation. Okay, so that is very important. So when we looked at this BHARATFORGE, now what is happening is the price is on a continuous uptrend, but then the uptrend is not in a straight line. It is trading in a very narrow range, but then it is steadily increasing. But in this uptrend, one thing is very clear, that in Dynamic Live at the bottom, the daily long trend and the weekly long trend, if you see, they both are saying long hold, which means the long term trend of this particular stock, it is clearly uptrend. So in a uptrending market movement, any buying opportunity that we get, we are always ready to go ahead, jump in and just do the trade. But then there is also one more interesting thing that we are able to see, that as the price has been increasing for the last many days, at the top there is a continuous dynamic major signal or dynamic system caution signals coming there. Okay. Now whenever we come across these signals, it means the price can take a complete U-turn. But then when a dynamic major signal comes, and from there as the price starts coming down, we always keep telling in the training that we need a strong confirmation, saying that yes, this is the place where you can go ahead and take a short position. It is confirming that it is going to go down further. Okay. So with that point of view, when we look at this Dynamic Live, it has not given us that strong confirmation anywhere throughout this period. The intra-week long signal, if you see, it has been in buy throughout this period, in spite of dynamic major signals coming at the top, in spite of small price reversals here and there. Okay. So with all these background, as we come forward on 24th of April, as the price started increasing, first of all, when the market opened, the Doveman method in the preparation, it told us get ready to buy call option. So we know that we may have to buy a call option, so be prepared. see which are all the strike prices available, go check the premium as per the capital that you have in hand, which strike price matches, and all these details you can check and be prepared. Now by 9:30 in the morning, the Doveman method action information confirmed, buy call option now. Okay. Now once this confirmation has come, all that we have to do is, as per the instruction, do we go ahead and do the trade. When we checked it, it was a very clear trade opportunity. We just had to go and buy it. Okay. And when the buy call option information came, before that, previously there was a dynamic system caution signal at the top, but then the price had very comfortably come above that, and then it is telling us to buy. So no hesitation in taking the trade. So we had to buy a call option. Now there was a strike price, 1300 strike price, which was available at a 22 rupees premium. So this is the premium at which we would have bought this call option. After buying the call option, the price completely took off. It started going up in a big way, and on 23rd we did not get any kind of exit. It did not tell us to exit call option, so we just held on to the position. On 24th, I am talking about 24th. So by 25th, what happened? The price again started increasing, and as it started increasing at around 11 o'clock in the morning, in Dynamic Live, in intra-week, there came a DMBOTS symbol. Now whenever this DMBOTS signal comes, it means secure your profits. Okay. The Doveman method action is still telling us hold call option, but the DMBOTS signal at the top, it is telling us to secure the profits. Okay. So when we had to secure the profits, the call option that we had bought at 1300 is now trading at 1300 strike price, which we bought at 22 rupees, is now trading at 63 rupees. Okay. And this is the place where we secure the profit. So when we exited at 63 rupees, it is almost 41 points captured in this one particular move. Bought at 22, exiting at 63. All right. Simple, effortless, no confusion, no thinking, no guessing. Just follow what this Dynamic Live is telling you. Okay. That is how simple it is. So when we have done this trade, now anyone who did this trade, if you have bought it at a 22 rupees premium, now obviously if you are trading in futures and options, this particular stock, the lot size is 500. Okay, 500 is the minimum quantity. So once you bought it at 22 rupees, the investment made is around 13,200 rupees investment made, and from there, as the price increased and the point at which we secured the profit, that is at 63, by then we had gained almost 24,600 rupees. This is the profit in this particular trade, which means on your investment of 13,200, it is more than 180% returns on your capital. It is a matter of 24th April 9:30 the entry, 25th April 11 o'clock the profit booking. So within this period, it is almost 180% return. Now the same trade one could have done it in futures also. Okay, but only thing in futures is the point where we are securing the profit. In futures we will not be doing that, since if in case you have done the trade with a single lot, if you have done the trade with multiple lots in futures, then that here also in futures also you can secure some profit here. But then if it is a single lot, we will hold on to this position until we get a proper exit. So that is the thing. But then those people who say that I want to do option writing, all right, so they say that I don't want to do option buying, I always do option writing. You could have also done this trade. The place where we bought call option, you could have sold a put option, all right, and finally when it was point to securing profit, you could have done the same. So this is how Doveman method makes your job very easy. Dynamic Live makes your job very easy. When you trade in a fearless, easy, effortless way, that is the time when you will start seeing money in this business. The more you are tensed while trading, it is very difficult to see money in this particular business. I hope you have gained a lot of clarity in following this Doveman method and trading in any stock or index for that matter, especially in options or in futures to benefit from the market. Okay, thank you all of you.